This is the first video of a multi-video training series that shows people how to use a Tormach CNC Mill. This training series will show everything from start to finish, including the creation of a CAD model, creation of the CAM toolpaths, and machining the actual part. These CAD and CAM tutorials will be done in Fusion 360. The CAD modeling will be a little different for different software packages, but the CAM will be the same as long as HSMWorks is the CAM software used. This first video will show how the CAD model of the training part is created. First, we are going to start with a sketch on the top plane. A center point rectangle will be placed at the origin with both the height and the width of the rectangle being set to 2.25 inches. This sketch is extruded to an arbitrary height since the machining coordinate system will be placed on the top of the part and the height will constantly change as the part is machined. Another sketch is then placed on top of the extruded box. A center point rectangle is placed at the origin with an arbitrary size for the moment. The horizontal relation is removed. Then horizontal and vertical relations are placed on the corner-to-corner construction lines. The side of the square is then dimensioned to 1.5 inches. A center diameter circle will be placed at the origin with a diameter of 0.898 inches. This sketch is then extruded 0.075 inches. This finishes the CAD model of the Tormach CNC Training part. The next video will go into the basics of machining.